Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your files and opening the device for advanced changes. Back up everything to Google Drive and an external USB or SSD, because enabling developer mode triggers a power wash that erases local data. Once done, enable developer mode from recovery options and confirm the prompt. Make sure to note OS verification steps. On a separate Windows PC, download the Windows ISO and Rufus to create a bootable USB. This is required because Chromebooks cannot natively write Windows installers. Next, you replace the stock firmware with UEFI-capable firmware so Windows can install. Download Mr. Chromebox's firmware and follow exact flashing commands. This step removes Chrome OS lockdown, so be careful and follow prompts. Once firmware is flashed, set Rufus to GPT partition scheme and UEFI target and recreate the bootable Windows USB if needed. Reboot the Chromebook, use the key combo to enter the boot menu. Select the USB drive and start the Windows installer. Make sure to follow partitioning choices during setup. Finish installation by following the Windows installer and creating a user account, then install drivers for chipset, Wi-Fi, audio, and touchpad. Use vendor packages or community builds for Chromebook hardware. Once Windows boots, reclaim storage space by formatting leftover Chrome OS partitions as needed and set the UEFI boot order. If something goes wrong, like no boot or missing hardware, use the recovery USB to restore Chrome OS or revert firmware. That troubleshooting step lets you recover safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.